Before I came here, my biggest problem was that I felt like the whole thing was not real. And we were just very scared that we would show up and nobody would be there. We were here for 10 days and no withdrawals at all.
It's not too good picture. What happened before you came here?
Before I came here, my biggest problem was that I felt like the whole thing was not real. Like I would show up at the airport and nobody would be there. So, we had already wired the money because that's part of the process. And we were just very scared that we would show up and nobody would be there. So we waited for 25 minutes thinking, we don't have a place to stay. But then he found us and we were here for 10 days and no withdrawals at all.
How could you not be convinced?
No, I think there's this deep piece of something inside of us that says it can't be real. It's too good to be true. That's the part of it that attacks your anxiety. But then when you leave here, you don't have that anxiety. You don't have the guilt, burden, depression, anything. And, the big thing is, too, that I was going to talk to Cole because Cole was my handler. He took my call. And I was pretty tough on him, the whole entire time. And if anybody ever has any doubts that this works, for a 10-year Suboxone user, 10 years, and before that, 10 years of pain pills. So 20 years of my life wasted. But if anybody thinks that this is too good to be true or it doesn't work, you can hear my accent. I'm from Georgia. I'm not from down here in, Playa del Carmen. I'm from Georgia. I'm from the South. So it's the real deal. And this is what I plan to do when I go back, is that you have to, if you remember in your head, like how hard you used to search for the drugs, then you have to use that same passion to expand your thoughts, to expand your understanding of addiction. I couldn't have done it without DRS. And so, because I quit before, went 90 days, went back because my mind still wasn't right. And with the Ibogaine, it changed my mind, changed the program. When I quit Suboxone on my own the first time, I went 29 days with no sleep. 29 days. But with this treatment, I haven't missed any sleep. Yeah, I build.
It's not too good picture.